Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Chemistry Online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School. Hope all you are doing great. Today I am here with you to start new chapter 5, Coal and Petroleum. Hope all you have gone through the exercise question answers of the previous chapter and understood very well. So now let's get into our new chapter, Coal and Petroleum.
First of all, I would like to show you some pictures which are very familiar to you. Let's see them one by one. First one, sunlight, the ultimate source of energy. House, a girl breathing air, car, food, glass of water, bugs of lightning, cherries on the tree. Clothes. All these pictures are very much familiar to you, right? Let me ask you a question. What all pictures shown here are natural and what all pictures are man-made? Yes, this is really a very small task for you. Without any doubt, you can tell sunlight, a glass of water, air we breathe, cherries on the tree are natural. While car, house in which you live, the food you eat, clothes, bugs of lightning are man-made. Okay? In this chapter, we are going to discuss about natural resources. Let me show you some natural resources. Its picture. First one, sunlight. And next, water. No doubt it's a natural resource. Next, wind. Petroleum. Petroleum means petrol, diesel, coal, soil. Minerals like diamond, precious stones. Natural gas, the name itself means that it's a natural source. Wood and forest. The list of natural resources is very long and we have listed some of them here. Now let us get into the term natural resources. What does it mean? The naturally occurring material which are useful for human being or which can be exploited by human being. These are known as natural resources. We can make the use of these natural resources. Look at this picture, you can see some solar panel. What is its use? We can use its sunlight and produce electricity. So you can make the use of sunlight. Okay, wind is another resource, natural resource. You can also use wind turbine. What is its use? It can make the use of wind and produce electricity. A dam also you can see in this picture. What happened there? We can make use of water to produce electricity. So we can make use of natural resources. Now you know what natural resources are. Let me ask a question. Can we use these natural resources forever? Forever not only mean your generation, the coming generation, and all the generation going to be lived in the earth. Based on the availability of natural resources, we can classify these resources into two types: inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Let us get more detail about this topic. What is inexhaustible natural resource? The natural resources are present in unlimited quantities or which are present in large excess. Such kind of natural resources are called exhaustible natural resources. They do not get exhausted by human activities or they cannot get finished by human use. Such kind of natural resources are called inexhaustible natural resources. Example: sunlight. Will it get finished? No. Air, wind, etc. Next we can deal with exhaustible natural resources. The natural resource which present in limited quantity or they can get exhausted or finished from nature by human activities. Our use or our overconsumption make them finished off. Such kind of natural resources are called exhaustible natural resources. Let's see some examples of exhaustible natural resources: forest, wildlife, mineral, coal, petroleum, natural gas. Hope all you have understood about exhaustible and inexhaustible natural resources. Now we can going to see some exhaustible natural resources or fossil fuels. What does it mean? Exhaustible natural resources which are formed from the dead remains of called fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are formed from the dead remains of living organisms which are lived millions of years ago in this earth. Some examples for fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. We can deal with these natural resources in our next class.
So let me wind up today's session. Here we discuss about exhaustible natural resources and inexhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible means the natural resources present in unlimited quantity cannot be exhausted by human uses. But exhaustible natural resources means which are present in limited quantity and can be finished by human activity. Next, about fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources which are formed by dead remains of living organism. I believe all you have understood about this topic. I have attached question answers and test paper. You have to attend the test paper, and next you have to go through the URL that I provided here. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.